I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Trezor wallet. First, understand that a Trezor is a hardware wallet, a physical device designed to keep your cryptocurrency safe. It stores your private keys offline, making them inaccessible to online hackers. You simply connect it to your computer or smartphone when you need to manage your digital assets, providing a robust layer of security for your funds. To begin, connect your Trezor device to your computer using the included USB cable. Next, you'll need to install the official Trezor Suite application, which is essential for managing your wallet. During the setup process, you will create a new wallet and be prompted to write down your unique recovery seed. This 12-word phrase is crucial. Keep it extremely safe and private, as it's your only backup. Once set up, use the Trezor Suite to easily view your current cryptocurrency balances. To receive funds, simply generate a receiving address within the application and share it with the sender. When sending cryptocurrency, you'll initiate the transaction in Trezor Suite, but the critical step is confirming the details directly on your Trezor device. This physical confirmation ensures no unauthorized transactions can occur. For maximum security, always store your recovery seed phrase in a secure, offline location, like a fireproof safe. Never, under any circumstances, share your seed phrase or PIN with anyone, as this would compromise your funds. Remember, your Trezor device is designed to protect you, but your vigilance is key. Also, for those who love to read, the new Kindle Paperwhite lets you enjoy your favorite books anywhere. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.